Ego sum dia veritas et vita. Ano ibig sabihin yan?
Veritas is truth.
Ego is self, sum, total. The total sum of the self is the truth of life. Vita is life eh. Ego, self, sum, total.
You're vlogging.
That-
Ay, naku.
That's interpretation of Filipino. And so this is a public park siya. No? So we're supposedly to we have cake, coffee dyan sa California. Coffee, but it's puno. Starbucks puno. No, that place is puno. Masungit. anong place ba to? Cocktails, no? Then this place is also very nice but so puno. Tingnan natin yung view niya. Ayun. Ayun. Yung mga Pilipino pa dito, oh. Narinig yung kanya, boses. Okay. The background. I made my own interpretation of the meaning of the Latin word. I don't know if tama yun o hindi. Okay. Ang dami pala dito. Dito, may grupo mga Pilipino. Pupunta sa dito. Okay. Ang ganda ng view. Wow. Very nice.